Have you ever seen that viral image of pink slime being passed off as the stuff chicken nuggets are made from? Yeah, we've all come across it. It's gross, unsettling, and completely false. Despite all the myths floating around online, chicken nuggets, especially McDonald's McNuggets, are not made from slime, chicken bones, feet, or claws. No, whole chicken isn't also dumped into a chicken nugget making machine like this cartoon. In fact, they're made from actual cuts of chicken, along with a few carefully selected ingredients to give them their signature flavor, texture, and shelf life. Let's start with what goes inside a nugget. The main ingredient is real white chicken meat, specifically the breast, tenderloins, and rib meat. Then there's a mix of other components like wheat-based batter, garlic, salt, pepper, vegetable oil, milk powder, called whey, food starch, and seasonings. You'll also find some food-safe additives like calcium lactate and monocalcium phosphate, things that sound scientific, but are used in safe quantities and serve a purpose like preserving flavor or supporting texture. Now here's how it all comes together. It starts at a massive production plant, filled with high-tech machinery and a skilled workforce. Whole chickens are placed on a slow-moving conveyor system, and at each station, trained workers cut away specific parts: the thighs, wings, breasts, tenderloins. Only the breast, tenderloins, and rib meat make the cut for nuggets. The rest is used for other meals. The chicken skin is separated and saved for later. It's actually added back into the nugget mixture to boost flavor and help hold everything together.
One chicken McNuggets, and then you've got the breast meat with the rib meat and the chicken tenderloins, which do go into chicken McNuggets. Now, before we make the McNuggets, we remove this skin, and then we later add a small portion back for flavor in the chicken McNuggets.
The selected meat is fed into a giant grinder, not the kind you see at home, but an industrial one designed to handle massive quantities. The result is a thick, coarse chicken paste, made only from meat, not slime or scraps. This ground chicken is moved to a mixer, where it's combined with the chicken skin that was removed earlier. Water, starch, salt are also added along with natural antioxidants that help preserve freshness. After mixing thoroughly, the paste is transferred in buckets to the next phase. Here, the mixture is shaped into one of 4 iconic nugget designs. Once shaped, the nuggets travel on a conveyor to be coated in layers. First, they're dipped in an egg wash. Then comes a light flour-based batter, seasoned with salt, garlic, and pepper. After that, they get a second coating with additional spices. And finally, they're dipped in a tempura batter made from wheat flour, corn flour, and leavening agents to give them that airy, crispy texture once fried. The nuggets are then flash fried at high temperatures, but just for a few minutes. Mind you, this step isn't to fully cook them, but to set the tempura coating and start building that crunchy exterior you love. The inside remains mostly uncooked at this point. Next, the partially cooked nuggets are cooled and sent into a freezing tunnel where cold air rapidly locks in moisture and flavor. They're portioned, sealed into airtight packages, and placed in freezers until they're ready for delivery. When a restaurant needs more nuggets, they're shipped frozen, then fully cooked in store when you order. That's why you get them hot, crispy, and delicious every single time. So no, there's no pink slime, no claws, and no mystery meat involved. No cartoon logic, just properly prepared chicken, seasoned and shaped using a carefully controlled process. Now that you know the truth, how do you like your nuggets? BBQ sauce, sweet and sour, or maybe honey mustard? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed learning something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Check out our next video on how noodles are produced.